Assalamualaikum. For Islamic Funwork today, we will learn about Abrahan and the bird of Abaabil. With teacher Sarah, Wednesday, 25 August 2021. First of all, let's recite dua before study together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma ta'alaina hikmataka wanshur alaina min hazaini rahmatika ya arhamar rahimin. Amin. Prophet Muhammad was born in the year of elephant. It was mentioned in Surah Al-Fil on how the Kaabah wanted to be destroyed by the king of Abrahan. However, Allah had protected it from this evil plan. Share the story of Abrahan and the bird of Abaabil. So children, let's watch the video. Alright children, you can turn to page 23. Don't forget to write your name, your class. Day today is Wednesday, date 25 August 2021. Alright, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent flocks after flocks of birds named Abaabil to where Abrahan and his army stood. So children, you can color the picture. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.